Hi, let's create 3D balloon effect in text within 2 minutes. So create a text, set its font, choose the spacing between alphabets, and then write the text that you want there. After that, convert this text into mesh so that we can solidify it. Make sure that you do not use extrude command here, as it leaves empty parts beneath the text. So solidify is best for this. After choosing the solidify height, now you can use remesh modifier so that we can give some density to our text. Some mesh density. So using the voxel size technique, we will choose the voxel size that fits our requirements, and then we will apply both the modifiers. After applying the modifiers, we will go into the sculpt mode and will use the cloth filter brush. We'll use the inflate command there, and we will push the stroke either to the left or to the right until it feels right to us. Now when you are satisfied, you can give it a smooth finish by shading it smooth, and then you can also put a subdivision modifier on top of that. I hope that you liked this quick tip and enjoy using this effect in your texts.